So this is going to be our first video, and we'll start with number. So whenever we speak about maths, the first thing that comes to our mind is number. So basically numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if we speak about numbers, there are two values. The one is face value and the other is place value. So for example, take the number 5609. The face value of the digit 9 is 9, the number itself, and the place value of 0 is 0 itself, and the face value of 6 is 6 itself, and the face value of 5 is 5 itself. But in place value, the place value of 9 is 9, the place value of 0 is 0, 0, and the place value of 6 is 6, 0, 0. The place value of 5 is 5, 0, 0, 0. So this is the difference between the face value and the place value. So let us move forward. The next topic is the types of number. So first of all, we have got natural numbers. So all the counting numbers that starting from 0
From
are
1
called
are
natural
called.
numbers. So it will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and will go till infinite. Next is whole number. All the counting number including 0 are called whole number. So we can say that all natural numbers are whole number, but all whole numbers are not natural number. So again, the next topic is integers. All counting numbers, 0 and negative counting numbers are called integers. And next is even number. So basically even numbers are any number that is divisible by 2, and odd numbers are numbers which are not divisible by 2. So moving on, we have got prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are which are only divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 2, it is divided by only 1 and 2 itself. Similarly 3, 5, 7, so they will have only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. So next is composite number. So composite number is basically opposite of prime numbers. Any number which are not prime will be composite number, and they will have more than 2 factors. So moving on, we have co-prime numbers. So what is co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are 2 numbers. If their HCF is 1, then they are called co-prime number. For example, take 6 and 7. So if we'll take HCM for 7, 6, we get 6, 1 just 6, 1, then 6, 1, 6 is 6. So the HCF is 1. When we get HCF 1, then the number is called co-prime number. We'll study about HCF in detail in the upcoming videos. So moving on, next we have got rational number. So rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q, and in which q must not be equal to 0. For example, 3:5. Moving on, next we have irrational number. So irrational numbers are again opposite of rational numbers, which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. For example, √2. Anything under root is irrational number, but for example, if you take √4, this is rational number because square root of 4 is 2, which is 2 by 1. So this is rational number. But √2 we cannot. Also there are non-repeating and non-terminating. So if we'll look at this, 0.1235214 and this number goes on. So what do we mean by non-repeating and non-terminating? So in this, none of the numbers are repeating, like 1 2 1 2. If it is 1 2 1 2, then it will be repeating numbers, but this is non-repeating. None of the same numbers are repeating, and also non-terminating, but it is not, and it will go up unlimited till infinite. So these are called rational numbers, or irrational numbers. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. Now let us see an example related to the face value and place value. So as you can read the question, the difference between the local value and the face value of 7 in the number 3267549 is. So first what we need to do is find the local value and face value. So local value, yeah, face value. So what is the face value of 7? Face value of 7 is 7 itself, and local value is basically the place value. So local value of 7 is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. The 7 and 1 2 3 and 4. So in the question they have asked the difference. So difference means subtraction. So 7,000 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9, 9, 9 and 6. This is the answer. So in the upcoming videos, next video we'll be dealing with the test of disability. So stay tuned and wait for the next video. Thank you.